I'm doing over. Empty machine.
Just realize you're
I can't
just leave your father a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, you don't know. Good blessing and love up.
Tell us to do that.
How was that run?
It was excellent.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Love it, love it.
So, we see me out in the finals?
Huh? Yeah, man. Best second of mine, man.
Alright.